Hey guys, in today's video, so it's Christmas time and tomorrow's Christmas, which is actually amazing. Days go by so fast. So let's talk about animals. So we got a little bit of good news and a little bit of bad news. So one good news. Sorry, there's a lady walking by. I wasn't sure if she was hearing me. Anyway, good news is that I actually saw some red wolves in a zoo. Anyway. Sorry, guys. So the good news is that I saw some red wolves at a zoo, and that tells me that zoos are helping the red wolves, kind of. Some zoos probably. But yeah, that's the good news, and some bad news is that I didn't see a lot of red wolves, which probably means there's probably a lot more red wolves that are more captive, because I only saw like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like 5 wolves, 5 red wolves. Like there were 2 cages, 2 wolves and 1 with 3 wolves. So that's the bad news. There was not that much, but that's not that bad. I mean, and that's the bad news. So you know how I talked about the white northern rhinos? How there's 2 females left on Earth? Yeah, we can't. And I know it is so annoying that I keep saying this, but it's just a reminder. You have to save them. The northern white rhino is an example, because once those 2 females are gone, they'll just be skeletons. And here's the thing. There will be skeletons in history. History, right? History. So fun, so cool. Not. That's an example. That is a very bad example. And why I'm saying this is because it's like, white northern rhinos are so cool. I mean, like, I bet there's a lot of rhino lovers. Who wants to see their favorite animal getting extinct from stupid human hunters who just like poachers and other things? It's not safe or cool for the animals. They just want peace and harmony. I mean, I bet in an animal's life it's not peace and harmony because they have challenges in their life and they have to hunt for their life. But we want peace and harmony for the animals. We don't want to be the hunters. We want animals to be the hunters. Not for humans, but for other animals. Just make it be nature. Humans live their life on houses and beaches and stuff, while animals get to live in their habitat safe and sound. Just like us humans are. And I saw a comment on YouTube. I actually commented to the YouTube thing. They said, so leave it to the hunters, because it actually puts negative effects on hunters and poachers and stuff. What? We want it. Like, I want to put negative effects. Some hunters are actually good because good and not good, because like they're like killing invasive species, kind of not. But negatives, like, I think killing a little bit, like just one animal is fine. But like 100 to 4, that's insane. And I don't like that. Because like 4 is like an amount for a whole pack. I mean 5 mostly, but still, it's not safe. And I bet, I don't know, but like, I mean, the 2 northern rhinos, I mean, if there were like a billion, I wouldn't really care, because I mean, like, a billion is so much. Like, just killing one would be so little. But like, There's only 2, and they're both female. Yeah, I'm gonna put negative effects on hunters and poachers. I want them to feel ashamed of themselves for killing something that isn't even killing us. They actually help our planet. And just think, 2 northern white rhinos are just a species of rhinos, right? They're in a habitat of one piece of land. Because there's no other rhinos. I don't think there's other rhinos that do that in the white northern rhino's land. So there's no rhinos that do that.
Even though we're kind of nervous, together we'll be strong. I don't know for sure, all I know.
Yeah, that's not cool.
Cupid made a shot straight into my
You guys gotta understand. You can't always. I bet no hunters and poachers are watching this, but if you are, get out of here. If you're gonna be so upset at me, comment saying, oh, blah, 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 blah. I don't care about your nonsense. It's rude for animals. You know how humans have beautiful houses and animals have just a dirty den. I think it's fine when humans have like just a small little house, you know, tiny. They have like such a big mansion type. And think of this. If you live in a city or something, like, it's not your fault, but like if you're in a city, like you just moved to a city or something, like a big city with like a bunch of buildings and stuff, like New York or Tampa, actually you're living in technically a forest. Used to be forest, was a forest, because all of that city before all that stuff, there was probably grass. I'm not saying it was a forest. It could have been like a very huge field, but I'm probably thinking it's not, because fields are not that big. They're not big as a city, a whole city, but possibly. But I would probably think it was a forest. All of this used to probably be forest. And I understand we're just trying to have homes, like shelter, but just not a lot. I kind of don't understand myself either, but I don't know what I'm saying. But I just gotta say, it's nice. So, I hope you guys had a very great time. I only talked about northern white rhinos, but mostly, but yeah, so I really hope you guys enjoyed my video, and it's Christmas, so remember, if you don't have anything for Christmas, I hope you have a very great day on Christmas. Like, if you're like sick or something, you don't have any presents, like, I'm sorry about that. I really hope you are able to get Christmas presents next year if you are able to, but for all those that don't have presents out there, you guys are like the best ones. Like, you guys deserve presents. Sometimes you guys don't. Sometimes you guys don't deserve presents. I bet you guys deserve coal. Like, I think I remember when you did a little bad thing this year. Nah, you're fine. You deserve something good. I hope you guys all appreciated this video. So, as you can tell, my hair is very annoying me. Aww. Let me show you guys. I think it's gonna jump on. Okay, oh. Okay. Anyway, so bye guys. Bye.